Hi there, students. To substantiate. The noun substantiation and the adjective substantive. Okay, to substantiate means to give evidence to support the truth of something, to prove that it is true. Can you substantiate your extraordinary excuse? Can you give evidence to show that it's true? If you make an accusation, you need to be able to substantiate it. For your alibi to be any use, it must be substantiated. My wife can substantiate that I was at home in bed on the night of the crime. So to substantiate, to confirm, to corroborate, to verify, to back up, to affirm, to prove, to show. The theory is very good, but we need evidence to substantiate it. You must substantiate your claim if we are to win this court case. He must substantiate his claims of electoral fraud. But then again, it often can be difficult to substantiate the truth. The witnesses will substantiate everything I have said. So this is related to the word substance, to make into a substance. And we can use this word to substantiate, not very commonly though, meaning to make real, to make tangible, to give a material form or substance to something. So, for example, by writing it down, that would be a way of substantiating it. This signed contract substantiates our deal. It makes the deal real. The increased profits substantiate the changes that have taken place. So, here again, show the reality of. But most usually we just use it with the idea of to prove, to confirm, to verify. The way he acts substantiates the fact that he is a good person. The evidence that you provide is not enough to substantiate your claim, to corroborate, to prove. So, substantiate is a regular verb. He substantiated his claim. He has substantiated the theory he has put forward. I would say this verb to substantiate is quite formal, maybe 6.5, 7, maybe 7.5 in formality. In an informal conversation, to prove, to back up, to support, something like that. And the origin, well, in medieval Latin, there's a verb substantiare, meaning to give substance to make tangible. So, to substantiate, to prove. If you give this video a rating, it will substantiate your approval of it. Good one. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Substantiate.